Okay, so let's do a little autopsy, shall we? Brake rotor. Okay, yeah, maybe. But it's zoom in a little bit, see if we can get closer at it. Right there. You can see the valleys on it. Put a little Sharpie on it. And let's just try and see if we can. Yeah, it kind of shows it a little better. Anyway, we have some nice valleys in there. It's not grooved, but it's definitely worn. And I wanted to see when the Ford dealer told me that they were going to replace the rotors when they did the brake job on the truck anyway, no matter what. It was just part of the package. I decided just to run it to see how long it would go. I just wanted to know how far I could go on a good set of brake rotors. Now these are of course OEM rotors, and those are OEM pads. And you can see I got over 65,000 on them. And I don't baby my truck. I don't abuse it, but I don't baby it. These brakes have earned their keep. And at 65,000 miles, I'm not going to complain. Now the pads themselves still have material on them. Let's see if I can find it. There you go. So there's still a little material left on that pad, but they're cracked. And I'd say we got, well, maybe an 1/8 inch of material before we're on metal. They definitely need replacement. Okay, now that's the inner pad. And this is the outer pad. It's a little more worn. But 65,000 miles, no complaints. Alright, 21 millimeter for the bracket, 10 millimeter for this guy, 14 millimeter for the caliper, and a bungee cord. $10mm bolts. Yep. And look, can you see that? 74 degrees. I want to get this up to at least 300. Can you see it? I got 370. How's that, huh? I only got it to about 180 degrees. That's not bad. We can live with that. My caliper compressor doesn't work on this, it's too small. So we have to use the old-fashioned way of doing it, which works perfectly fine. Take your time and drive them back in. Leave it alone. There it is. Good as new. Alright, now we'll just hang that puppy back up out of the way for now. Okay. I'm using Bendix brakes. They're a ceramic mix. I don't know, I don't remember what I bought, but I bought really good ones, you know, quality ones. Now, I'm not going to use these metal tabs because what's on here is perfectly good. There's nothing wrong with them. There's no point in changing them out. Now, a couple things. There is a left and a right pad that has to go on the inside, and it has to go on either the right or the left side of the vehicle. That's fixed. But the outer pad will work on either side. Doesn't matter. So, let's take a look at what we got here. You see there's still a little pad left. Not much. But 65,000 miles, I'm not complaining. Yeah. The outer pad's the same way too. Okay, new pads. Now you also want to check your slider. Make sure those are free moving. Let me get this guy in place. Ah. Yeah, pretty. Looks good. This guy goes back in like this. Nice, that fits in there. Slick as can be, huh? Doesn't need a lot. Do a little bit more here. All right, that part's done. You know, whew. Now we get this guy back in here, like this. Done. Happy.
No, don't put your fingers in front of it, honey. All right, hit stop. All right, hit stop.